Good morning, it is time for another weekly prep where I like to take you guys along on our weekend and show you the fun and functional things we do as a family to have fun, but also get a lot done. And today is going to be jam-packed full of fun. Tomorrow's going to be more getting things done, so let's get started. Hey guys, Sarah here, back for another weekly prep. Today, Santa's actually off this whole weekend, which is very rare. So we are having a family day today. We are going to the Minnesota Zoo today. It is supposed to rain, but there's still a lot of stuff to do inside. So I'm hoping like it'll maybe rain at the beginning and then clear up. We will see, but we've already got the tickets, like we're going. And then come home, do a little bit during nap if we are able, because we'll be getting there at 9 a.m. and I think we'll be done by like 11:30, have lunch, drive home, about an hour and a half, and then we'll still have like a couple hours. Hopefully Gwenny will nap a little bit more at home if she falls asleep on the way home. And then we are going to one of my best friend's son's graduation parties. And then if we have time, we're still gonna go to my parents for our like normal weekly supper on Saturday nights. So we're not gonna be getting a whole lot done today, but tomorrow we've got our meal prep. We're gonna be hopefully going to church and just doing all of the things. So come along. Sam's on his A game. He already got our snacks and our waters. We'll probably give these to them on the car ride up or like right when we get to the zoo so we can make it a little bit longer with their waters. We got the Ginny B. Jones collection, some of the books at the library, audiobooks. So we're gonna listen to these on the way up to the zoo. And then the girls picked a movie to watch on the way home. Got our little list of stuff we need to get ready for the day. Just down here, can you even tell I vacuumed yesterday? We've got like little cotton things flying around the yard and they just come right inside. Anyway, I've got our raincoats, I've got some umbrellas. We need to stop and get one more adult umbrella. We just have one in my car. I realize we don't have any others, so Stan and I, if we both want one. Gwen will be in the stroller, which can be covered. Got their rain boots, their snacks, their waters. Diaper bag is fully packed, so I'm gonna get all this out to the van. They're gonna eat breakfast. I want to leave at 7:20 if we can, because we got to stop at Target to get another umbrella. So let's see if we can do this. I don't really know why I straighten my hair, because if it's raining, it's going to get all floofy. Oh well. Yeah, it's already raining here. It just went out, so I'm sure I'm going to end up just braiding my hair, but whatever. We are not bringing lunches. We did a few picnic lunches this week, and we just decided we haven't eaten out as a family for a long time, so we were going to eat at the zoo or just stop and get some fast food on the way home. It'll be our little fun treat. The girls will love that. Girls are just having waffles and banana for breakfast. This little one threw hers on the floor. Wants string cheese, but wants to open it herself. So yeah, we're getting very close to 2 right now. I'm bringing a book on the way to read there and back. I'm also bringing my Remarkable too. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you will know what this is. I shared it in my stories. I'm only doing probably a video on it, but basically it is like a notebook tablet. They call it like a e-ink tablet or a paper tablet. So it's like all the notes you would ever take, you can just take on here. And I'm loving it. I'm not gonna do like a full review, but there's different notebooks and things. Got lots of like family notes. I just got it a few days ago, so I haven't fully done everything in here. Fun.
Mama, I need napkins.
Okay, just wait. It's just really cute. I'm loving it. So I'm gonna take that. I can also use on our way. Right on time. It is 2 o'clock. We just got home. I laid Gwen down. She slept for like 45 minutes to an hour in the car, but I know she needs probably another hour of nap. Little Bryony took like a 45-minute nap, and now she's color changing LOLs.
And OMG dolls.
OMG dolls. We had a lot of fun. It did not rain. It actually got really hot and humid, which I was not expecting. So the hair went in a braid right away. We have about an hour and 45 minutes before we need to leave for the graduation party, so I'm gonna freshen up closer to 3, and all I need to do today is pay bills. That's the only thing I have on my list, and then get the card ready for the graduate. I read 120 pages of my book on the way home, and on the way there and home, so that feels pretty good. I'm just over, I don't know, probably 2/3 of the way through maybe. Good morning. It is Sunday morning. I finished my book last night. I would highly recommend this book if you love a good love story. Although, just note, there are tons of triggers when it comes to infertility, miscarriage, stuff like that. But having gone through infertility, I really appreciated how realistic it was of how hard it is on a marriage. But it was really good. It goes back and forth between current time and how the couple got together, which was really interesting too, because the way they got together is really interesting. So definitely check that out if you love a good love story. So I am still like in comfy clothes because I don't want to get ready for church only to get food on myself. So the girls are up. It is what, 6:50 about right now. We are gonna make a double batch of chocolate muffins that will last us through the next month. Having it once a week. It's something I love to do on the weekends, is make one bulk breakfast. We are gonna be going to church. It doesn't start till 10 with the summer hours. It's nice. We get like an extra, like over an hour in the morning before church. And so we're gonna do that. And then nap time, San hopefully is gonna be mowing. I don't know what the weather is doing. And then I have a bunch of stuff I'm gonna do. I also am taking our middle child, Bryony, on a date tonight. We like to do that every few weeks. We take one of the girls on a little date night. She wants to go to this like trampoline place and then out to eat. We may do something else too, but I will not be filming that because I like to be 100% present with her during that time. So won't have any, maybe some photos I could insert, but that's about it because I don't want to be filming her that time. I want to be focused on her. I get a double batch of these Kodiak cake protein muffins, the dark chocolate. Our girls love these. Breakfast is served, hard-boiled eggs, apples, and muffins. And the rest are cooling and will go in the freezer once they're cool. It's an exciting day. I don't want to move them to where you can see them better, but 4 of our caterpillars, of our 10 caterpillars, are now hanging upside down.
Okay, so this is like the latest trend, I guess. They're called bro nuts. It's basically brownies in the shape of a donut. And you can put fun toppings on there. So we have cookies and cream, we have Reese's Pieces, and we have like a s'mores one. So these are actually really cute. They're very simple to make, and this is gonna be a new item that I'm gonna be offering this week for our Father's Day launch. So just to try something new. I'm always thinking about expanding the products that I offer. These would be a nightmare to ship, and I don't think they would ever ship. So and then when the day comes that I can, I think we're just gonna stick to cookies, but they taste very good. Just kind of interesting because, you know, when you do things for the first time, you're not very good at it. So with time and practice, I think I'm gonna get these down, but these look absolutely wonderful. I'm excited for people to try these. And these cookies are not like the prettiest thing in the world because my chocolates decided to seize up as I was just slowly melting it, but that's okay. I got the picture. We're good to go. These are strawberries and cream. There's golden Oreos, dried strawberries, white chocolate, and strawberry wafers in there, and white chocolate drizzle. So these are also going to be part of a launch coming soon, maybe Father's Day as well. Not sure, but we'll see. Super quick and easy lunch. So normally, we have been trying out 5 dinners 1 hour. I used to do this a couple years ago, loved it. I have a whole video on it if you guys are interested. And I'm doing it again now because I just missed it. So
Basically, it's an online thing, online subscription where they give you different meals they give you different recipes every month. And it's really cool because there's different ones to choose from. There's a clean eating menu and then there's the classic menu. I subscribe to both just for more options. And they have pre-made plans, but they also have where you can pick your own. And so you can pick, you know, as many as you want. We did pick 5 to start with, but I've realized now that 4 is better for us. And then we do breakfast for supper one night, a pizza night, and then we eat at my parents' house one night. So that covers everything. And then we eat leftovers on breakfast for supper night, and then I eat them for lunch, and Sam will eat them as well. But the way I've been doing it is I keep, you know, we prep it on Sunday, and then we've been eating that one of the meals the next Sunday, which doesn't make a whole lot of sense. So to get back on schedule so that we're eating, so for example, this is next Sunday, that's from the following week. So whatever we prep that day, that'll be one of the recipes. So we're eating it right away versus waiting a week because it makes more sense. So to get back on track, I'm just doing 3 of the meals this week, and then we'll start doing 4 again next Sunday. And it comes with, it like populates a grocery list, which is really nice. And then basically the premise is you assemble a bunch of stuff on assembly day, which for us is Sundays. And then you usually refrigerate it, and then on cooking day it'll tell you what you need to do, but it saves a ton of time on cooking day because you've done all the chopping. Sometimes you've done some actual cooking, you've assembled things, and it's ready to go. So this week we are doing barbecue mini meatloaves, this carbonara bubble up, and this meatball sub casserole, which I now realize are very similar. They both use like refrigerated biscuits. They're not the healthiest thing in the world, but right now we're focused more on saving time and getting a good system down, and then I'll probably be a little pickier about which recipes we pick. But that is what I'm going to be prepping while Sam goes out to mow. Okay, I've got all my ingredients ready. I realize we don't have any breadcrumbs, so I'm just going to crush up a bunch of these instead of breadcrumbs, but everything else should be good to go.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds?
Doing this in a bag to avoid touching it, but yeah, not gonna work.
Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder.
office now. Just got the meal prep done. I am getting packages ready. I got these ready a different day. I have a few more packages to get ready to send tomorrow. I am having a 50% off sale, if you guys didn't see, for the month of June, as long as supplies last, for single items in my shop, and they have been going like crazy. I got a few more orders I need to pack and get ready to ship tomorrow. I feel like I'm way off on nap time because we got back, like church went way longer than we had expected. So we're like 45 minutes to an hour behind, and I need to take Bryony on our date in 1 hour. So there's like laundry beeping at me, and Sam's out mowing, and I want to get this done, and I need to get some other stuff done, but I may not get to it. It is 7:15. Got back a while ago. We hung out outside for a little bit and read books. Had a wonderful date with Bryony. We went to a trampoline place. Love that place. She just was soaked with sweat. She loved it. Then we had some time to kill, so we went to the pet store just to look at the cats and the birds and the guinea pigs and the hamsters. She thought that was really fun. And then we went to Perkins. I let her choose what we do, although she wanted to go like buy a bunch of toys, and I said no. The kid loves candy and shopping. Those are her like two favorite things. So I had to say no to that, but we went to Perkins. She got her rainbow pancakes. We had a great talk. We colored together. It was wonderful. It's just such a wonderful thing to do with your kids when you're able. I forgot to ask Stan to vlog while I was gone. So here's what's left of supper. It was a Tex-Mex Sloppy Joe that we prepped last week with our 5 dinners 1 hour. So he made that. And yeah, that was supper. I forgot to show this, but I did print these out during nap. It's the rest of our homeschool stuff that I needed to print on cardstock. So just some like geography terms. We have our Bible verse cards, and then our timeline cards. Those are all printed. I also printed these questionnaires, 2 for my dad, 2 for Stan's dad, for Father's Day. I have the girls fill these out every year for them. Stan's just doing some sweeping that he didn't get to earlier, but all I need to do tonight really is shower. I might paint my nails, I haven't decided yet. But tomorrow's my work day, plus we have so many lessons starting this week, so it's like just a lot going on. But hopefully you guys got a good amount of stuff done this weekend. I would love to know, like, do you go on dates with your kids? What do you guys like to do? I just think it's so fun. So it usually goes like one of us go with each of the girls, then we trade, because if you try to do like I go and then San go, then we end up having like repeating a girl twice in a row. So it goes me with Bryony, me with Celia, then San with Bryony, San with Celia, so on and so forth. And then Gwenny will be doing it soon enough, but not yet. So yeah, we're gonna call it a night. I'm very tired, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye.